apprenticeships are all about giving you a platform for a long-term career.
It's something that people of our generation aren't really accustomed to. The common ground is just to go to uni, but I think people should know that there are other options.
You don't need to go to university. You don't need to be a graduate. You don't need to do the training contract to qualify as a lawyer.
My financial head said to me, why get into £27,000 worth of debt when you can learn effectively the same type of thing and get paid for doing it?
We have created a different doorway through which to walk. They can leave school at 18 and come and join Kennedy's. We will put them through their training, we'll put them through their qualifications, and at the end of that, if they want to go the whole way, they can also qualify as a solicitor.
Although you'd have experienced professionals at university, it may just be that they're standing in front of you, talking at you and giving you a lecture, which is valuable, albeit, but you can't apply them to your work and see the full process.
There's no better way to learn than to see it happening in front of you.
I love that I have been able to spend the last almost 4 years working in an actual law firm and studying at the same time.
Kennedy's engagement with the apprenticeship scheme reflects a deeper philosophy. We're not a traditional law firm. We're open to new ideas. We're literally open to new individuals, new routes to qualification.
The money is a big benefit to the job. If you go to university and try that route, you're learning, but you're getting yourself into a great amount of debt.
I go to university, yes, I know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to pay $27,000 for 3 years. Go to Kennedy's, I get paid. I get paid to learn, unless you learn, they call it.
Initially, university was my preference. I came here for an interview and it just clicked my fingers like that, and this is what I wanted to do.
To watch somebody grow from being a very bright A-level student to becoming a very bright lawyer, that's a fantastic thing to see in the 2 or 3 years that we've had them here.
I think the greatest challenge is starting, going into an office environment and just a work environment from being at school.
I love going to court. When I get the opportunity, I'll try every time to get myself on that list and see the conclusion of what I've worked on and what my supervisor's worked on and what other colleagues have worked on as well.
I'm based in Sheffield. I work in quite a small team, 7 or 8 of us. We do employers' liability, public liability, personal injury work. Our clients are big insurers. It's not something I expected to be able to do only a year, 18 months down the line.
It does help you grow as a person. It makes you much more mature. I know when my friends come home from university, I feel much more experienced than they do in life.
If you want to progress, you absolutely can do, and it could be that you end up qualifying as a solicitor, you could then move on to be a senior associate, and there's absolutely no reason why a legal apprentice couldn't become a partner in the future.
People think that by coming to work you're losing out on your social life, but Kennedy's is so social. We've had so many events. There's runs, other charity events, obstacle courses and all sorts.
After work, going for a few drinks, there's always something going on.
That's probably the best thing, is I've actually made friends that I know I'll be friends with for life. I feel 100% confident that I made the right decision. If I had gone to university, I think I'd have been fine. Now I know what it's like to experience it and actually work in a firm. I wouldn't change it at all.
I've kind of skipped the stage of being a graduate from university and actually applying and getting a spot, in a firm. It's something that I couldn't really turn down.
If you're something that you're unsure about but leaning towards, just take the plunge. You won't regret it. It's something that you won't get anywhere else. The experience is absolutely invaluable.